everyone. When we age, we don't always feel as old on the inside as we look on the outside. Our next guest is here to help, bringing how we look and feel back into harmony without invasive surgery. Here to show us how, Dr. Lane Smith and one of his patients, Grace Barlow. Good morning and welcome back.
Good morning, Don.
Okay, there are several non-surgical procedures that have dramatic effects on people. Let's talk about the first one here, and that is Juvederm.
Yeah, thank you for asking. One of the major changes in plastic surgery over the last 10 to 15 years has been the advent of injectable, things that we can inject, very simple, very quick procedures that can make a big difference. Juvederm is currently one of the most popular, or the most popular injectable. It's hyaluronic acid. Sounds like it might burn or something like that.
It sounds scary, but it's not.
It's not. It's actually what's found in your skin. It's the thing that lubricates your skin.
Okay, and the Oscars are around the corner right here. Do you think a lot of the ladies and the men are getting injected with this right now?
Oh yeah, you can bet on it. Ourselves. We've had some patients come in that will be there and those sort of things. I'm sure. In the LA area, but you can bet that pretty much almost everybody there is going to have a little Juvederm, a little Botox, or Dysport, or some combination of all of the above.
Okay, and there's another non-surgical procedure called intense pulse light treatment. What is that?
That's kind of like a light laser treatment. So, it's sort of, technically it kind of burns the skin lightly, like a light sunburn, and it can be used to do certain things. It can bleach out age spots. It can get rid of fine wrinkles. It can help with acne, those sort of things.
And it's all non-surgical. You can go back to work and just the next day or the day
exactly. The intense pulse lights, you might look lightly sunburned for a couple days. The Juvederm or other things that Botox or Dysport, you can go back that afternoon.
Okay, and Grace, you've had both procedures and your skin looks flawless. Tell us about that.
Thank you. It was just such a great experience. I always loved my lips, but I just wanted them to be a little bit fuller, especially on the top. And so I went and saw Dr. Smith, and he injected me with Juvederm. And I've been very happy with the results. It was hardly any downtime, and
it looks so beautiful.
I wanted natural. I didn't want to look like the doctor or anything. I just wanted to be just pouty and pretty,
Yeah, so you love your look.
Yeah.
Love the look.
I'm so happy.
How long did it take you to do her procedure?
It just takes about 15, 20 minutes, not very long. And I think you hit the nail on the head now. I hate it when I'm walking around the gym or something. You see these girls, these big duck lips. Yeah, it looks kind of trashy. And that's not our goal. It's never my goal. My goal is always to make you look natural, a little more enhancement, but not fake.
And we don't want to blame the doctor all the time with that. It's a patient who requests that look.
Yes,
and you give it to them if that's what they want.
That's correct. It's very frequently the patient's choice.
Okay. And again, you feel so much better now?
Yeah, I just wanted more natural look, just something fun, and I just feel like it's completed.
Let's take a look at the before and after.
They're great.
Explain to us what we're looking at. Go ahead, doctor.
Well, this is, we did this injection just this week, and you can just see kind of the before and after picture. And you see a nice improvement in the after. It's not hugely different, but it's nice and full, sexy, but natural.
Right there on the side view more so.
Yeah, and so we don't want to change her lips. She has nice lips. We just want to enhance them, make them a little more full, a little more sexy. But definitely we don't want them to look done. We don't want anyone to really know that she's had surgery
That's the key.
or procedure.
Perfect. And we have another set of pictures to show as well.
Yeah.
Take a look at that.
Certainly, the Juvederm can be used for other things besides just the lips. So here's a picture of a lady. She has some smile lines. It's also done this week or a week and a half ago. She has some smile lines. You see the upper arrow, and then you see her lips and the lower arrow. And then in the after pictures, you can see the lips a little more full. This is just with one syringe of Juvederm. We can certainly use more. I could have used a little more in the smile lines, the upper arrow creases, but we only used one syringe to keep the cost down and things like that. But you can see a nice improvement in those lines, and still a little bit in the lips without looking fake, without looking duck-like. And this is the very next day. I think we took the before picture that day, and then the very next day, the next picture.
Okay, it looks fabulous. Thank you so much for coming on and showing us some of your work. It looks really good. Now, if you would like more information on tapping into the fountain of youth, simply head to the website or call the number you see on your screen.